Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we are going to discuss about the Black Friday which is coming and the way that you should structure your campaigns and your whole strategy for this amazing period. Okay, so Black Friday is coming. This is a theory video. We're not going to do ads and stuff in the PC. I'm having different videos with campaigns like the Advantage Plus, the crazy method that you should use, the stacked lookalikes, and the new high society method, and all of these methods, and the crazy method of course, and how to optimize and stuff. You should go and watch these videos. Use them in order to actually apply to this whole planning that I'm going to lay out for you. So if you're here for a guide step by step on how to do ads, you can leave. Now, theory-wise, let me tell you how we're going to do the ads for the Black Friday. This is something that I have discussed also in another video, but now the time is coming, so I think I should refresh it a little bit. The way that people are doing Facebook ads for Black Friday, sometimes it's a little bit stupid. Let me tell you what they're doing. They are having some ads, they launch them on the Friday. So when they launch them on the Friday, they have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Cyber Monday. Most of the times they have different ads also for Cyber Monday. What does this mean? That they're going to run ads for 5 days. Do I agree with that? No, I don't agree with that. So let me tell you the strategy. So my strategy is this. What if we start ads earlier? A lot of times you are seeing companies that they're saying early Black Friday sale access. Why do they do it? For two reasons. First of all, they want to prolong the period that they're going to run ads with a Black Friday offer. And the second, of course, the Friday is always going to be the best day, okay? And the weekend and then the Cyber Monday, the second best day. But this doesn't mean that you cannot have sales in the previous period. And another thing is that by doing ads earlier, it's going to help you enter the Black Friday with much more data, which means that you're going to win a lot of your competition because your ads are going to have a lot of data. That being said, these companies are not doing it just because they want to give early access or whatever. They want to do it because they want to run ads for a longer period, and they also want to do it because it's going to help them enter the Black Friday and the weekend until Cyber Monday with more data. What I'm going to do with a lot of my companies is this. The companies I work with, they're not mine. So, first of all, we're going to start ads most probably at 15 or 20. Okay, that means that we're going to have something like a pre-Black Friday sale, which is going to be a text and banners and everything that is going to help us continue the promo up to Monday, which is a Cyber Monday. That being said, you are going to run ads for a longer period. You are going to be able to start with some ads and scale them during the Black Friday and weekend, and not the opposite, starting and initiating your ads in Friday where everybody is going to advertise and the competition is going to be fierce. That being said, you are entering with much safer way to your scaling. You are scaling more the businesses, you are able to spend more, and you are having better control. It's not like a coin flip of what is going to happen on the Friday. You should discuss with the people that they own the companies that you are doing ads with, or if you are an owner, you should start thinking with your creative team that you should start earlier. You need to find an excuse. Is it going to be early Black Friday sale, early Black Friday access? All of these things are going to happen with a lot of companies, and the reason that the companies are doing it, it's technical. That being said, you should start at that point. You should go scaling slowly up to the Friday, where you're going to have a text which is going to help you stay also for the whole period until Cyber Monday. Now, this is a strategy about the Black Friday. But what is happening after the Black Friday? Are all of your ads going to be closed and then you're going to do new ads for the period up to the 25th of December, which is the Christmas? No. The answer is that along with the ads that you're going to start for the Black Friday, you are going to start some ads that maybe they're not going to have an offer, it doesn't matter. Maybe you're going to lose some money in the process because these campaigns are not going to have an offer and won't look appealing, but they are going to be fueled all of this period through the Black Friday period, and they're going to stay after the Black Friday period because you're not going to close them, and they're going to continue running up to the 25th of December. From 25 to 31 you can close your ads, it doesn't matter. You can just leave some retargeting, nobody is buying on this period. Sorry Facebook that you're calling this period Q5, but no, nobody is buying. The thing is this, you are starting 2 sets of ads. One set is going to have all of your promo videos, banners with the promotions that you want, the copies and everything. And it's going to be a pre-sale of Black Friday, which is going to start from 15 or 20 of November and take you up to the Cyber Monday. Second thing is that in the same period, you should start ads with lower budget that even if you're losing money on them, you're going to keep, because they're going to have all of this data from this period of Black Friday, which is going to be a crazy period, and then you're not going to close them because they're going to have ideal creatives and ideal copy, which is going to help you go up to the 25 of Christmas, that we know that a lot of people are buying stuff so that they can give us presents, or they buy for themselves because it's Christmas, and you know, when it's, you know, the celebration spirit, it makes us buy more and more. So that's the side plan that I have for Black Friday. This is what I'm going to do. Campaigns that are going to be for Black Friday only, and campaigns that are going to stay. I think you should do it. I'm doing this for the past 2 years. It's working flawlessly. You should do it, and not just 2 campaigns for Friday and so on, just for 2-3 days, because you're losing money, okay? And there are other people that are going to advertise all of these days, or even go stronger in December, because guess what? When Black Friday is finishing, if you start your ads immediately for December, then without having a base, it's going to be much more difficult for you. Okay, so you're going to have your base and you're going to do new ads for the Christmas period that they're going to be tailor-made for that, maybe with another offer. It doesn't matter, but you will have your base, which is going to have all of this data, which is going to last for you at least for 14 days. Most of the times for me, on my accounts, it's lasting for all the 25 days up to the Christmas period, that we don't care about that point, and we will start planning the next steps that we're going to do from the 1st of January for the new year. That's all I had for you. I think this is a very solid strategy. This is what you should do. Don't forget that if you don't do it, you're leaving money on the table. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, happy Black Friday. I hope that you are going to have very good earnings and very good results. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.